Hi there and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate the elimination of wavy cuts achieved by retrofitting my excellent MechMaxx bandsaw with Cook's Complete Retrofit Roller Guides. I had many frustrating times of adjusting and readjusting the band clamps. Not anymore. The OEM clamps require an air gap between the clamp and the band. That is the issue. You can adjust the band level. It does not matter. Air will not hold it level. I will show clips of milling 3 red oak logs using rollers for the first time and with the same MechMaxx band. You can see the uniformity of the cut in this first cant left over after milling several boards. I made a second cant from a 20-inch in diameter log. Here I show a perfectly square and level 12 by 12 oak cant. So let's see the rollers in action while milling a third oak cant. I'll show the full length cut at 1x speed so to not be too boring yet see the rollers and sawmill response. In my prior experience of milling, I had to go slow to prevent machine rocking. Now I have noticed very little, if any, rocking. There are 8 degrees of adjustment on the Cook's roller guides. With a wrench and torpedo bubble level, you can easily and quickly dial in perfect alignment. The key reason rollers work so well is they make direct contact to the band with downward pressure. The band between the rollers is a bit lower than the rest of the band on the outside of the rollers. That dip in the band is in greater tension. Twist and tilt are counteracted by the rollers lying flat over the band just behind the cutting teeth. Here I am showing perfect squareness and flatness of the milled cant at 3-foot random positions over the log. Level and bubble perfect. Next 3 foot. Level and square there. Next 3 foot. Square. Level. Nice bubble. To the end. Nice bubble again. Level and square. You can get instructions for how to do this at my site, Valrose Woodworks. Thanks for watching, and may Jesus bless you in all that you do.